Hey Crafty Crew, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more crafty videos. So today we're going to be doing a 5-minute fall craft, but the things you're going to need today is you're going to need a wine glass or mason jar. You're going to need yellow popcorn seeds. You're going to need some of these battery operated tea lights, and then you're going to need ribbon or some twine, whatever you prefer, and then some scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your mason jar or wine glass or whatever kind of glass you want to use, and you're going to pour some popcorn seeds in there, probably about halfway, but it just depends on how you like it. Okay, so you want to turn on your little tea light, put your tea light in. I had to get a new tea light. My other one wasn't working right. There we go, that's much better. So there is that. And then you're going to take either your ribbon or your twine, and we're going to wrap it around the top of the mason jar. If you have a wine glass, you can just wrap it around like the stem like I did here. And I used ribbon on the on the wine glass, but I'm going to be using some of my twine on my mason jar. So I'm just going to measure out a good amount so I can tie a bow around it. Cut that. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this. I'm just going to wrap it once. If you want to wrap it more, that's fine. And also, if you would like, for extra security, you can always glue it on here. So there's that. I'm just going to trim this end because it's longer. Maybe this one too. Not too long. Okay. Wrap that there, or you know what? Okay, I think I like it better down there. So you want to wrap it around the jar. You can put it around the top, or I think it looks a little bit better like just below this rim right here for me personally. But there is the finished mason jar. It's extremely easy. It's really cute. And then, like I said, with this one, I used a wine glass. So I have a colored stem. It's green colored, which goes perfect for a fall. And then I just tied ribbon instead of the twine. So here is your finished 5-minute fall craft. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and comment below. Check out all my links. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Happy fall.